In primetime news this evening, taxi horror. Victims detail ordeal with sexual predators operating charter taxis. Another female killed. St. Elizabeth police searching for those responsible for the death of 38-year-old woman. And police following strong leads in Clarendon missing teacher probe.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, I'll have the business day. Spencer Darlington will have sports commentary with Oral Tracy. Deidre will have E-Prime and Romain will have your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on making the names on the sex offender registry public? Share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.